Cek. Okay guys, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So welcome back to my channel. How are you today? I hope all of you is getting well today. And now I will make video IT tutorial again. It's still about dynamic routing OSPF. So before we in the last video we have made uh, configuration about OSPF virtual link. So today I would like to give a new material, but I have make this tutorial. It's about redistribute but in a gRPR routing protocol. So in this video I would like to make a redistribute for OSPF routing protocol, guys. So you can open the last topology that we configuration. We will use the topology that's already we configure the OSPF, guys. So now for the redistribute we will use from the other routing protocol, that is from dynamic routing protocol RIP. So the redistribute function is for if the default in here in the router 1, the example in the right network is in OSPF, but in the left is RIP. The default, the different routing protocol is cannot communicate each other, guys. But if we already make configuration, already add the configuration redistribution, so the different routing protocol is can communicate each other and they can ping and something like that. Okay, so now we will practice it, guys. Okay, first enable and then conf t. So in the router 1 we will add a new IP loopback, and then we will advertise this IP loopback into the RIP routing protocol, guys. Okay, IP add 100 100.1 using /32, and then exit, do right first. Okay, after this we will advertise this IP loopback into the RIP routing protocol. Router RIP, we will use version 2, and then advertise the network of loopback. Then don't forget no auto summary, and then exit, and then do right for save the configuration. So now we will see do show IP route RIP, do show IP route, guys. So in here already wait, guys. Show IP route. Okay, in here already there is a network from routing protocol RIP. So now we will redistribute this routing protocol into the OSPF. So I will show you first the default. If we haven't add configuration of redistribute, if we write do show IP route in the other routers, that IP loopback is haven't into the routing table other router, guys. So we must add the configuration of redistribute first, and then later the network of RIP will be in the routing table router 2 or router 3. We will config first router OSPF 1, and then redistribute RIP subnets. If in a gRPR routing protocol, the configuration is very hard, because in a gRPR for a distribution we must add a matrix, so there is a many, guys. In OSPF, just the configuration is just redistribute the routing protocol name, like example is RIP and then subnets. If already, just enter and then exit and do write. So now we will see again the routing table of router 2 and router 3. If the configuration is success, later in the routing table there is a network 100.1 in this routing table, and the status is external to, or the meaning is from the other routing protocol. Okay, we will see, guys. Okay, this the default before we configuration the redistribute in the routing table, just like this, guys. There is inter area from the other area OSPF, but there is no from the other routing protocol. After we configure, wait, guys, after we configure to show IP route, after we configure the redistribution, now already the IP loopback of RIP already in routing table of router 2. We will see again for the verification in router 3, guys. Do show IP route. Oh, in here haven't add the OSPF yet. So in here in the router 2 there is external type 2, ya. This is from the RIP routing protocol. So do ping 100. Okay, the success rate is 100%. Okay, maybe that's all for tutorial today. Is about redistribution in OSPF routing protocol, and maybe that's all from me. Sorry if I have many mistake. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and save your configuration. See you next time, and goodbye.